Hey homeowners, Shaun here with Foundation Solutions Group. So you're probably wondering, how long does foundation repair take? The truth is, it depends on what needs to be done, and I'll walk you through some of the typical timelines to give you a better idea. Let's start with the simple stuff. If we're just putting in a couple of cross space support jacks, that might only take a few hours to one day. You could go to work and come home and the job's already done. Now, if we're doing a pier installation, like when the foundation needs to be lifted or stabilized, that usually takes 1 to 3 days. Depends on how many piers we need and what the weather and soil conditions are like. If we're working inside the home, like going through the floors to reach a crawl space, that can add some time. That kind of job might take 3 to 5 days, depends on how much access we need and how much space we're working with. Bigger jobs like major structural repairs or fixing drainage problems around the whole home can take a full week or more. But even then, we'll make sure you know exactly what to expect before we start. Here's the good news. Most foundation repairs don't take as long as people think. We know how important your time is and how important your space is. Our team works efficiently to get the job done right the first time. And thanks for joining us today at Solutions University, and we'll see you again next time.